Today, I'm going to take this brand new, sparkly, shiny 12-inch file from Ace Hardware, cut it in half, turn it into a couple of EDC self-defense knives, and you may be wondering, why a brand new file? Why not an old one? Because I can, and because I don't feel like waiting a week or two for steel to arrive in the mail. I can already hear the comments rolling in as you see me trying to cut this metal. Because I love my audience, and they ask for hotter videos, well, then I guess I'll have to provide a hotter video. Are you happy now? Trust me, I've been doing this for close to 8 years now. I know what I'm doing. Enough yakking, time to get straight into the epic part. Because these are tactical EDC style knives, I decide I'm going to use Kydex, which is basically a plasticky, rubbery material, and I also suck at leatherwork, so I figured by using Kydex I'd help destroy the ozone layer. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button. And also, if you really, really like it, hit the subscribe button so that way you can get notified whenever I post a video. I will see you all in the next one.